Hey, Mark, do you have a minute? I really need help with something in English grammar.
Sure, Lily. What's wrong?
I was studying last night, and I realized I don't fully understand the verb to have. I know the meaning, but I get confused when using it in sentences.
No worries. It's actually easier than it looks. To have is used to show possession, like when something belongs to someone. For example, I have a car, or she has a new laptop.
Okay, so we use have with I, you, we, they, and has with he, she, it, right?
Exactly. That's the basic rule in the present simple. For example, you have a nice camera. He has two brothers. They have class at 9 a.m.
That makes sense. But I've also seen have used in other ways, like have breakfast or have a meeting. That's not possession, right?
Good point. In those cases, have is used for actions or experiences. For example, I have breakfast at 7. We have an exam tomorrow. She has a cold today.
Oh, so it's not always about owning something.
Exactly. The meaning depends on the context.
And what about questions and negatives? That part really confuses me.
Okay, here's the simple rule. When you want to ask a question with to have in the present simple, with I, you, we, they, use do have. Do you have a pen? Do they have homework? With he, she, it, use does have. Does he have time? Does she have a book? And remember, after do or does, the verb is always in the base form. Have, never has.
Got it. And what about negatives?
For negatives in the present simple, with I, you, we, they, use don't have. I don't have money. They don't have class today. With he, she, it, use doesn't have. He doesn't have a car. She doesn't have time today. And again, after doesn't, the verb stays have, not has.
So we never say, does he has?
Never. The correct form is does he have. Always use the base form after does.
Okay, I think I'm getting it now. Can I try a sentence?
Sure, go ahead.
Do they have a meeting this afternoon?
Perfect. That's completely correct.
Great. Thanks so much, Mark. You really made it clearer.
Anytime, Lily. If you need more help, just ask.